Hello everyone, we are Amani, a group of Angolan physicists that are trying to change the way we use African natural materials in physics.
What if we could use the natural materials around us to study matter?
Natural materials abundant in Africa are already studied in the context of particle-matter interactions. But could these materials have useful properties in the detection of radiations or attenuations? So let's know.
When tiny particles pass through materials, they collide with atoms and lose energy. Some materials reduce the particle intensity more than others, depending on their density and thickness.
Our proposal is to build a modular setup with interchangeable layers of natural materials. The particle beam passes through the materials. We measure the intensity before and after the sample and compare two different materials.
We propose to explicitly study the interaction of ionizing particles with natural African materials, evaluating the attenuation and scattering capacity with potential application in scientific education and accessible technology. If you want to change the universe, we must first learn how matter responds when particles pass through it.
Okay, you guys ready? Yes, we are ready to start this.